is packed well. It says it's by Fine Dine, stainless steel, kitchen tool set. Kitchen tool set. That's cute. Everything's wrapped separately. Then a little canister that says tools. It says stainless steel 10-piece utensil set. Then it says use and care, congratulations, cleaning and storage. Here's the tongs. They look good, feel good. Whoops. Gotta love unboxing. I love Whisk. Here's the Whisk. Looks a little bit out of joint there. I'm just taking a look, but overall that looks like a pretty good Whisk. Guess I have to take off the plastic on it. I'm reading what this is, sorry. This is, oh, it's a potato masher. It looks different than the one I grew up with. That's nice. Oh, I'm excited to have that. Oh, they have these all bunched together. Let me undo these here. Sorry, everybody. I'll have to speed this up. Spaghetti sauce. I needed one of these the other day. The ladle. Nice spoon. Good size. Love it. And another spoon.